Okay, so go ahead and start connecting your calendars to your account. Go ahead and click on the Calendars tab here on the left-hand sidebar within your account. Now, if you don't already have a calendar set up within your account, you'll be prompted to go straight to calendar settings. So if you click on this, it'll bring up the calendar settings for you. However, if you already have a calendar set up, then you will see a list of calendars pop up here once you click on calendars. If that's the case, you can still access the same menu by clicking calendar settings up here in the tabs. So in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to connect your calendar to your accounts. If you'd like to know how to set up a new calendar or create calendars within the account, please go ahead and see the calendars section of this course. And we have tutorials there showing you how to create your own custom calendars inside of the platform. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to stick to connecting existing calendars from Google, Outlook, iCloud, etc. To do this, go ahead and click on Connections up here on the tab at the top. This will then go ahead and open up the Connections menu where you can start connecting your calendar and your video conferencing softwares. The first thing to bear in mind is to ensure you have the correct member of staff selected up here. Now, if this is just a solo account and you don't have any members of staff, this will be grayed out as it will just show your account. However, if you do have multiple members of staff and you wish to connect separate accounts per each staff member, by clicking on this drop-down menu, you'll be able to select each member of staff and start connecting accounts that are related to each staff member. In this case, I'm going to select me, and we're going to start connecting calendars and video conferencing softwares for me, for prospects to start booking in, and for me to start managing. So to start connecting calendars, go ahead and click on Add New, and this will then open up a new page asking me if I want to connect a Google Calendar, Outlook, iCloud, or even a Calendly account and start booking in and syncing events within these calendars. So go ahead and click on Connect on either of these platforms that you wish to connect. This will then open up a new tab and prompt you to follow that company's integration process to start getting your account successfully integrated into the software. For things such as Google Calendar, for example, if you click on Connect, this will actually open up a new page within the Integrations tab in the software, asking you to sign into your Google accounts straight from the Integrations tab. To do this, just go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. It'll open up a new tab and asking you to connect your Google account. For more information on the rest of these integrations, please see the integrations part of this course. However, we just wanted to make that note that for the Google integrations, it's slightly different. However, going back to all the other accounts, if you go ahead and click on Connect, it'll open up a new window asking you to sign into your account and start integrating that platform into the software. And then next we have video conferencing. So if you'd like to go ahead and add and connect a dedicated conferencing app to the software to start generating dynamic and unique meeting links for every new event that's set up via a booking calendar, you can do so. So right now, Zoom is the preferred platform that we have connected. So go ahead and click Connect. In this case, it'll open up a new link just like in the calendar portion, and it'll prompt us through Zoom's integration process to connect Zoom to the software. And finally, if you'd like to hide any information about other calendar events within your calendar, you can go ahead and turn on private mode for synced events. This will keep time slots blocked out if they're already existing as events within your calendar, but it will hide details of any other events in your calendar if a prospect wishes to book into your calendar. So if any privacy issues, you don't want to reveal customer information, or maybe you just have personal things that are in your calendar for that day that you'd rather not share with prospects or customers who are booking into your calendar, you can enable this and it will hide the details and just show those time slots as unavailable, and will prompt to customers or prospects to book on the times that are available. And finally, if you'd like to amend or update any of your availability within your calendar, you can do so from the availability tab here at the top. You can go ahead and update your time zone if you wish, or update the days of the week or times of each day of the week that you're available if you wish to do so. So that is how you connect your calendars as well as your video conferencing softwares to your account.